It's William with the Riverstone Life, and we're actually at the Riverstone, and we're getting some projects caught up. Robin's inside working on finishing the inside of this fifth wheel so we can actually walk you through it and show you everything about it and what we've done to it and how we've actually turned it into a home. But what this video is about, it's about the truck. And if this is the first time coming across this channel, we've got a 2023 Denali HD 1-ton dually. If you look at some of our other videos, you can go on there and there's videos about what we did inside the box here, everything we have for RV transport, our bed cover, how it works to fill the fuel up when you got the cover opened and closed. You know, there's pretty much a video about all that stuff. Actually, there's even a video about the kicker. I've been listening to this all day. I've actually been using the speaker today, sitting out here jamming to my music as I'm working on the Riverstone and getting all these projects caught up. But what I really want to talk about is the wheel wells on this thing. See how everything's nice and black here? You know, you look in here, you can hit it with a hose and clean it up, and it looks pretty good. Then you come back here and you got the white one. For some reason they left this white. All the black road tar pits and chips and stuff like that just looks tacky when you get in here. So we're gonna black this out and make this look a lot better, and then probably only have to touch it up once every couple years. So I still got this side to do, but I did do the other side, so I'm going to show you the other side and what it looks like. But I hate that. You would think that when they rhino lined the bed, you think they could have spent an extra 10 minutes and just sprayed some of that lining underneath those wheel wells? You know, because that just looks tacky. But look at this one. I did this one this morning, and doesn't that look 10 times better? I mean, you know, I'm going to touch it up the frame a little bit so it matches through here. But I was trying to make sure I had enough stuff to do this one. But, I mean, look at the difference. You know, when you look under there now, you come across over here, you know, it all matches. It looks 10 times better. When you're washing the truck up, I think it's a world of difference. I mean, look at that. And you can do it for like, I think I used a little bit over a can. This is not this brand I normally use. The brand I normally use, it's going to take like 5 or 6 days to get it, and I just couldn't wait. I wanted to get that done. But that's what we did under there. You know, you don't have to tape anything off. If you're not that great with a spray can, just cut yourself a piece of cardboard and use the cardboard to, you know, to kind of mark off the areas that you're working in. But I mean, that makes a world of difference. You know, I mean, look at it. I'm going to touch up the frame there so that it matches. I guess I've got one more coat to put on here. I've only used one can. I bought 2 cans for each side. So I'm going to touch this up a little bit more here today. You know, makes a big difference. And I love this kicker speaker thing. You need to watch our other video about it. Not sure it's worth the money. So if you buy one of these trucks and you already get that, that's an awesome feature. But look at the difference. I mean, that's just nasty. So we're going to get this side all sprayed today. Put another coat on the other side. But I think that looks a lot better. Another improvement on here. 80 degrees here, but it looks like some rain's going to come in. So we're getting this project done. And I figured I better get it done before it starts raining on me. But let's take a look at this. Best 40 bucks I ever spent. Should have done it a long time ago. Actually, it should have been done by the manufacturer. Especially when you spend $100,000 on a truck. That's crazy. But let's take a look at it. You can see that no more white. I think it looks pretty nice. Should match the front perfectly now. The truck's actually all ready to go again. Here's what the front ones look like. It's all gassed up, it's all clean, all full of fuel, full of def. Everything's done. ready to go get on the road and do some more runs. But I think that looks a lot better. I think it'll be a lot easier to clean up. I think that, you know, when I go to wash it and stuff, after washing it 10-15 times, then I can just go and touch it up a little bit. Always keep a can of it around. I got a rock stuck in my tire. Oh well. But we got everything all cleaned up, ready to go. Look at the Jeep. Might as well throw this in here. This thing hasn't been detailed since we went to Alaska. I detailed it yesterday, cleaned all the carpets and everything, cleaned the whole inside. It's gonna be nice to have the Jeep down here so we can run around. It's the best it's looked in a long time. Gonna have to get some tires. I guess we got a lot of tread left. Thought they were worse than that, but they're not as bad as I thought they were. Yeah, that one's a little worse. Have to get some tires this year. All that stuff belongs in the truck, but I detailed the truck inside and out. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with this. I'm thinking about taking all the seats out, building a platform in here, buying a memory foam mattress, putting in there, maybe put it up high enough right here so I can still get the refrigerator and put it on a little tray that I can just slide it out to open it, put all the other stuff on the underneath on the other side, make this more useful. That might be tomorrow's project. I might be doing a video about that. So, but we're all cleaned up, detailed. It's looking good. So I just thought that if you want to improve your truck for 40 bucks, I think it was well worth that. So, I mean, doesn't that look a lot better when you glance under there now and you don't see all that white pitted up crap? Makes the whole truck look a lot better. So, I was able to listen to music all day today. Got some grease on there. First time I've got to use that tailgate stereo in a long time, but I think that gives a lot better effect. I don't know why. I really don't know why they didn't do that right from the factory. They sprayed the Bedliner. They could have just sprayed that. Wouldn't have cost that much more. It would have been worth it. Heck, they could have just added it to the MSRP and got paid for it anyways. I don't understand some things, but you know me. I like things looking a certain way. So just remember, if you like these videos, give us a thumbs up. If you like what me and Robin are doing on the channel, subscribe to the channel. And always